Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Toyota Avalon. It's right here behind me. Why don't we start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome accents in the grille. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Front seats are heated seats. They are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. Then swinging around to the back end, you have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk now. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Avalon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.